Mawsynram MLA Olan Singh Suin has urged residents to remain vigilant along the Indo-Bangla border following heightened tensions between India and Pakistan. While speaking to the media, Suin assuring that his constituency remained relatively secure due to extensive fencing. Suin acknowledged concerns over the closure of border huts, which has significantly impacted the livelihood of those dependent on cross-border trade. He emphasized the importance of community coordination in maintaining stability in the region.
There is a tension between India and Bangladesh, now tension with Pakistan. This border has come to a standstill. There is no transaction, business stop, income generation activities stop. So it is a major concern because most of our people in border, they have income from the border transaction. So we have to be careful, we have to be vigilant on our border territory. And I do know what about the opening of the border hut, we cannot say. And the government is also, our government is also taking serious on this matter, and we are hopeful that the dialogue and negotiation between the central and our state may take place any time.
The Assembly of God Secondary School